Welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Carol JJ Official, and here niko na mangoes, niko na pawpaw, and I have milk, and I have and I'm sorry, I have blender over here. So guys, today we are going to make the pawpaw and mangoes smoothie. So let's try this today, because for the last time tulitengenezea bananas and what, tulitry bananas, tukatry watermelon, then let's try this today na tuone itakuwaje. Anyway, let's peel the mangoes and pawpaw. Okay, let's peel. My mango is very yellow in color. I mean, imeripe sana, iko sawa kutengeneza smoothie nayo. So guys, when you make smoothie, make sure your fruits are ripe, because inaweza kuwa kali. So make sure iko hivyo venye nawaambia. Yeah, I will make sure nimefanya all fruits to show my fans. Anyway guys, let's peel the pawpaw because I'm done with that one. I do care my fingers, well, kisiknikata. So guys, hiyo ni pawpaw. Let me do this. Yeah, so this, you can also make the fruit salad. I'll make for you guys. Yeah, so I try to blend this also. So guys, we have 1 glass of milk that we are going to add, but stay yote, because spending like ikwe hivyo, like inafaa ikuwe mzito, ikuwe nyepesi, the thickness and what. Anyway, okay, let's add it. Not too thick and not too light. Yeah, let's plug. So we close our blender. So guys, let's blend together. Gonna make noise, but sorry for interruption. Anyway, let's blend together. Mine nasha nikishaasha kwa switch, unaasha tu hapa on. Is ready. I have these things to stir. I'm going to stir my smoothie like that. So I do use this to stir. So hope you sawa. Guys, you can see, not too thick and not too light. Like, this smoothie is very smart, very healthy. Try this at home. Yeah, for your kids, for everybody. I mean everybody, not only the kids, but kwa kila mtu. So guys, yeah, the main naenda kumwaga hapa. So guys, as you can see, unaona kana give sana. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. I love you.